In today's video, we will see how to connect our Android device to Android Studio wirelessly. Ready? Let's go. First, make sure your computer and your Android device are on the same Wi-Fi network. I already made sure of that, so I'm good with it. After that, in the Android phone, in the settings app, we need to go to the developer option. Okay, and let's go to that. And over here, we need to find wireless debugging option. Over here it is. Let's click on it. Turn it on. We see a pop-up like this where network name and Wi-Fi address is displayed. So let's click on allow. Okay, and we can pair our device with Android Studio either using the QR code or with the pairing code. We will be using this pairing code option. Now let's open up the Android Studio. In Android Studio, we need to go to the device manager. So let's click on this device manager icon. And over here, we need to click on this pair devices using Wi-Fi option. So let's click on it. And again, we are seeing the two same options, either pair with the QR code or pair with the pairing code. We'll be using the pair with pairing code option. So let's go to that. And in the device, let's click on this option, pair device with pairing code. Okay, it's scanning for the devices. Our device is showing up and it's showing the same IP address and the port number. Let's click on this pair button. It's asking for the passcode. Let's enter the passcode 436645. Click on pair. And as we can see, our device has been connected. Let's click on done. Close this window. And now if I go to the select device, I can see the device is connected wirelessly. I have also connected my device using the USB cable. So because of that, it's showing twice in the select device list. So let's click on this wireless option. And now I can click on this play icon and deploy the application on my Android device wirelessly. And as we can see, our application has been deployed to our Android device wirelessly. And that's it. With just few simple steps, we are able to connect our Android device to Android Studio wirelessly. And I hope you found this video helpful. Hit like and subscribe for more awesome Flutter content. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!